So, sin na tayo. Our VU here is 130. So, our VU, if of course greater than our phi BC. Okay? So, therefore, magkakaroon tayo ng VS dito. So, to get the shear sa ating stirrup, so VS is equal to VU all over reduction factor minus our VC. Okay? So, we have here, yung VU natin is 130. Divide natin ng 0.75. Minus natin ng VC. So, 148.93. So, magkakaroon tayo ng sagot na 24.403. Okay? And then after that, we're going to get the S. Okay? So, from the formula, VS is equal to AV FYT D, right, all over S. Okay? So, we're going to get the S. So, S now is equal to AV, which is 2 times pi over 4 times 10 square. Yan yung magiging AV natin. Ang FYT natin is 275. Ang ating D is 570 all over our VS. So, ang VS natin is 24.403. Pero kailangan natin gawing Newton yan. So, we need to multiply it by 1,000. So, we will have the value of S here. So, complete po natin. So, magkakaroon tayo ng S na 1,008.98 millimeter. Okay? 1,008.98 millimeter. And then, of course, we need to check it out to our S max. Okay? So, our VS fall under the condition that is less than the 1/3. Okay? So, 297 po itong value na to. So, 24.4 lang. So, less than siya. So, our S max is this value, 285. So, if you're going to compare that, 1,000 is greater than our S max. So, we're going to use now the 10 mm stirrup space. Ang spacing na gamitin natin at yes, 285. Yung maximum. Doon tayo. Okay? So, next is letter D. So, letter D is 290 kilonewton. Okay? So, the same method. So, ang VS muna natin, class, is equal to 290 all over 0.75 minus our VC, 148.93. So, what is our VS here? So, 237.74. Okay, so from that, we're going to solve for the S. Okay, so ano magiging S natin dito? That is the same, no? Ito pa rin, magbabago lang yung nasa baba. So, our S here, the formula, AV FYT D all over VS. So, that ang VS natin is 237.74. So, ito lang, yung value na yun dito, no? Ilalagay lang natin doon. The same pa rin. Ang magbabago lang is yung nasa baba. Okay, gawin natin 237.74. So, ang lalabas na S natin is 103.57. Okay? So, let's say 100 mm. Yan. So, let's say 100 mm. So, compare natin sa S-max. Okay? So, ang S-max na gagamitin natin, the value is ito pa rin. Yung 285 kasi nga our VS is less than this value, 297. So, ang S-max natin is 285. So, we're going to use, ano gagamitin natin? Yes, so we're going to use the 10 mm spacing. Okay, ito yung sagot natin. 10 mm. So, use a 10 mm stirrup, space, at, okay, 100 mm pala. Hindi 10 mm. 100 mm yung ating spacing. Okay? Alright, so letter E. Saan natin pwedeng ilagay yung letter E? So, pwede dito sa baba. Letter E. So, ganun pa rin. Ang VU natin is, what's our VU? 360. So, tanong, what's our VS? So, VS is 360 divided by 0.75 minus 148.93. So, we will have this as our VS. So, 331.07. Okay, 331.07. So, our S, ano magiging S natin? Yung S natin is the same formula. Palitan lang natin yung VS sa baba. So, balikan mo lang yung kinompute mo kanina. Sa history ng calculator mo, nandun yun, no? So, papalitan mo lang yung nasa baba ng 331.07. Okay, wala namang magbabago dun sa AV. Okay, mula simula. FYT, wala din. And then yung T, walang magbabago. So, that is 74.37. So, let's say 70 mm. Okay, so ngayon, we compare it to our S-max. So, ano yung mga S-max natin, class? As you can see, our VS is 331.07, which is greater than 297. So, meron tayong bagong value. So, that is D over 4 or 300. So, compute natin itong D over 4. So, that is 570. Our D over 4, that is 142.5. Ito yung ating S-max, no? So, compare natin sa ating S70. So, we're going to use 10 mm stirrup, space, at 70 mm. Alright? So, as you can see, mayroon tayong kino-compare dapat yung VU, no? Doon sa ating cross-sectional dimension. So, ang cross-sectional dimension natin, class, na value is 400. So, malayo pa, no? Ang VU natin is 360. Okay? So, letter F na tayo. Susunod, letter F. Ang VU naman natin dito is 570. As you can see, mayroon tayong cross-sectional dimension checking. So, meron tayong 446. So, yung VU natin na given is greater than yung 446 natin, 0.90. Yung cross-sectional limitation natin. Okay, therefore, anong gagawin natin pag ganito? Okay, ibig sabihin, hindi papasa sa code yung inyong cross-section. Okay? Okay, so, meaning the beam cross-section or the beam itself is not adequate enough to carry the shear, the required shear. Okay? The required shear. So, anong gagawin natin? Adjust your adjust beam dimension. Okay? So, ito yung answer natin sa letter F. Okay? So, thank you class for listening. Sana may natutunan kayo. Okay? So, tip lang, ah, lagi lang kayo mag-practice. Okay? For you to memorize and familiarize yourself with this formula. Okay? So, ilang mga formula na kailangan nyo memorize sa shear? We have only one, ano pa ba? Two, that's, three. Okay? And of course, yung mga S-max natin. 3. We have 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Okay, 7 formula, additional 7 formula for the shear design. Okay, kaya-kaya nyo yung class. And see you sa face-to-face.